guys, welcome to another episode of BeSheek DIY. Today we will be making these beautiful paved dragonfly and hematite rhinestone earrings. Look at that. Do you see how sparkly that is? These are so beautiful, these dragonfly earrings. And then paired with this blue luster electroplated heart hematite stone beads. Oh my gosh, wasn't that a mouthful? Alright, let me go ahead and put this here and let's get right onto it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and line up our heart part of this earring. And so for that, we're going to need to get this 30 millimeter, it's an eye pin. And it's an eye pin because it has a little hoop. That's what they call it, an eye pin, because it has this little hoop at the end. And we're going to go ahead and lay up the beads in the order they need to go. And the first thing is using this very beautiful flower bead cap. Okay, very dainty, very cute, very chic. And then the next thing we're going to do is put on one of the centerpieces for this earring, which is that luster blue hematite stone, you see. And then we're going to go ahead and get this little flower bead we have here. Put that on top. And we're going to fold over our pin like so and make our hoop. And if you need help on making those hoops, we have other videos that show you how to do that. Feel free to take a look at the other videos that will show you how to make the perfect hoop on your eye pin. Alright, now that we have one done, we have a total of 4 earrings that we need to make today. A customer has bought these on one of the websites we sell our jewelry on. It's a wholesale website called Fair. And if you are a store owner, a boutique owner, or salon owner, and you're looking to add to your catalog some items, and it's risk-free, because if you go to Fair and you use my code that I have in the description of this video, they will go ahead and start you off with $100 in shopping money to go ahead and buy from my store or other stores products that you can have in your brick and mortar store that you can sell. They have really good credit terms as well, so something I think you should definitely check out. What they've got going is a pretty cool deal. Alright, second one is done. Let's go ahead and get the other one. And you can see sometimes when they come from the factory the pins are a little bent. No biggie. Just go ahead and straighten that out like that. And so we're going to put on our flower bead cap. We put on our hematite stone. And our daisy flower bead. There we go. Go ahead and bend that over. Like that. And let's fold. I'm so sorry. Curl the end of that pin into our hoop. There we go. Let's go ahead and do the last one. Yep, so this customer ordered 2 of these off of our Fair website. It just gave me the pleasure of being able to make this. It's been a while since I've made these, so I was very happy to see this on the order form. Okay. Flower. Go ahead and bend that over. And get our round nose pliers and roll that into shape. There we go. Now you have your 4 top parts. So this, again, this pattern is pretty simple. We're going to get our dragonfly, or paved rhinestone dragonfly, and then we're just going to attach it right there to the bottom, just like that. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to get our round nose pliers, and we are just going to open up that end of the hoop right there, just like so, and feed the dragonfly. Oops, I need to open it up a little bit more. Like that, and then just put our dragonfly on the end, just like that, and then close it back up. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like, so you can see it. You see it? That looks pretty. And then we just need to have our earring put on. So our hook, let's go ahead and attach that. Oops, it looks like I attached the earring backwards. That's a good tip to pay attention to when I mean backwards. So if the earring needs to face you like this, okay, you need to make sure that your hoop is put on the correct way onto your earring itself. So that way when you're wearing it on your ear, the rhinestones are facing where they need to go, just like that. Alright, let's do that again. Looks like I needed to get some more ear hooks. Let me go ahead and get that. I've got extras. So it looks like we just need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and open up that earring. Oops, sorry. Nope, I need to put the Dragonfly on first. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Get our Dragonfly. I don't think I left enough room yet. No. So I need to open this up a little bit more to fit our Dragonfly. There we go. And then close that back up. You see? And then we go ahead and get our earring and attach it. Let's see, did I put it the right way? I believe I did. There we go. Let's go ahead and do that again for the 3rd earring. Open up that bottom one really good. I am recording. And let's close that up. Then we're gonna get the ear hooks, open them up, and attach them like so. Make sure they're on the right way. Yep, they are. Go ahead and close that up. There's the 3rd one done. Now, let's get the final one. Okay. Close. And let's open up that hoop there on the earring, and let's make sure we have it facing the right way. I'll check it in a minute. Nope, not the right way. Flip it. There we go. That's the right way. And here you go. And so there we have it. We've got 4 of these earrings. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? They are so pretty. Let me go ahead and hold up a couple so you can see it, how it hangs. Let's see if I can get it to position right on my finger. There you go. Look at that sparkle. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, I'm really happy that this customer ordered 2 of these. Well guys, I hope you had a great time watching me make these as much as I had making them for you. We are growing our community here on YouTube, and if you like these products, go ahead. I'm going to leave a link below with access to purchase it on Amazon. If you're interested in reselling these, please visit our shop on Fair. Like, share, subscribe, tick the bell, all that good stuff so you can get notifications of when we put out more videos. And I really hope you enjoyed making this with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!